Next, third use of cotton is dispersed cotton is used as a filler in mattresses, pillows and quilts. Next one, cotton cloth or the strands of the spun cotton are used in mops for the cleaning floor. Strands, as we have already discussed, that these are the single piece of the fibers, and here you can see there are some fiber like structures, some thread like structures, and these are used in the floor mats. Next, now we have discussed about the cotton, which is a plant fiber. Next is the jute plant, which also give a fiber to us. Jute is a natural fiber, as we have already done, and its stem is used for the fiber. Jute is a natural fiber, or its stem is used for obtaining fiber. Which type of weather it requires? It requires rainy season. And which type of soil it requires? It requires alluvial soil. After that, we will discuss how it appears. There are yellow flowers in 3-4 months grown on that, and this cultivation is done in Bihar, Assam. At the flowering stage, jute plants are cut. After that, jute plants, when cutted, are tied into the bundles. Then bundles are left for some time to dry. The leaves which have dried, they fall, and the bundles of plant are kept in a pond for a few days. What will happen during this period? The jute stem, which is containing a sticky substance, which is containing a gummy substance, it will rot, and we will separate the fibers. This process is called retting. In simple ways, we can say retting is a process to soak the jute plant in water to remove the sticky substance. In this way, we will get the jute fibers from the jute plant. Next, we will discuss the properties of jute fiber. Jute fibers are pale yellow in color, 2 to 3 meters long. They have silky texture, and these are very strong. Due to their more strength, they are used in making gunny bags, shopping bags, ropes, carpets, curtains. Now, due to more fine quality of the jute plant, these are also used in the making jute fabric, which are used as fashion wear. Now we have discussed about the plant fibers which we obtain from the cotton and jute plant, and what are the processes related to this. Now, next is the history of clothing materials. How we develop the clothes, how we develop a process to obtain the clothes. Firstly, think when the people have not done invention, what they wear to protect themselves from heat and cold. During Stone Age, what people do to cover their bodies? They have not much technology at that time. There was no any process to weave the fabric, there was no any process regarding knitting. They don't know how to prepare a fabric. What they do at that time? At that time, they covered their body with the large sized tree leaves or animal skin. In colder places, people mostly use the animal skin or animal fur to protect their body. And in the summer season, they were using leaves of the plants. After that, some development was there, and due to the development of agriculture communities, people developed the skill. What they do, they start weaving the twigs. Twigs are the branches of the trees. And they start weaving twigs, grasses into mats and basket. Next, they started covering their body with the making a fabric, with making a piece of cloth from the flax or the robes of cotton. Robes of cotton, loose pieces of the cotton were used, and flax is a piece of wire inside plastic that was used to covering their body. They were making the fabrics from the flax or the robes of the cotton. As there was experiments continued, people covered their body with by weaving clothes due to more development. Next one is why clothing has become a necessity. Why it is necessary to wear the clothes. We all know clothes protect us from the wind, sun and heat. Clothes maintain body heat and absorb moisture due to sweating. Clothes give us a body cover. This was a history of clothing materials. What at the starting stage people wear, and after that how they develop the skill to make the fabrics. Next one is the development of clothing materials. There are the 3 stages. At the first stage, they were using the plant fibers, that they were using the bark of the trees to make the cover of their body. They were using cotton, flax, nettles. Nettle is a wild plant. At the second stage, they take the fibers from the animals such as wool, silk that were used. At the third stage, due to more development, they started making the artificial fibers in the factories, which are called synthetic fibrous materials like nylon, rayon, polyester. After that, some natural fibers are mixed with the man-made fibers, which are also developed for making a dress material. Our next point is we like to wear different type of cloth materials. Why? That is, which factors are affecting our choice of clothing materials? 4 factors are there. First one is climate, weather conditions of a state, whether it is hot, cold, during regarding the season. According to the season, people are wearing clothes. Second one is the occupation, according to their occupation. There are different occupation. Doctors are there, teachers are there, farmers are there. According to that, they are wearing clothes. Next one is culture and tradition. Culture, according to their religion, according to their culture. Like Indian people, some Sikh people are wearing salwar kurta and some are other wearing different type of dress materials. Next one is according to the daily needs. Thank you.